Now it's time for Word on the Street, where we check in with our panelists and find out what stories they're watching today. And Tendayi, you just published a report on mortgage denials.
Yeah.
Who's getting denied?
Only about 10% of the people, no, 9.8% to be exact, which is the lowest since the financial crisis and even at least since 2004. So this is really great. I think what's really happening is that people are getting better educated about the mortgage process. So people are much more ready when they enter into the process. The folks who are trying to get homes, I think unfortunately there's been kind of a shift in that some people just don't bother or don't try to get a home. So the people who are trying to get homes are really well prepared, and that drives the mortgage denial rate downwards a little bit.
Is there any concern here, given what we saw in 2006, 2007, just the credit quality of people, anybody basically being able to get mortgages?
No, the credit quality is actually pretty good because lending standards have tightened pretty significantly since the financial crisis. And then when you look at the reasons people get denied mortgage, the number one reason to be denied a mortgage is a debt-to-income ratio, which probably means you're trying to borrow too much versus your actual income. The number two reason is a credit score. So some people just don't have that great a score to get approved for a mortgage. I think if you go back to prior to the crisis, all these folks would have been approved, or the lenders would have found a way to work with them. But I think that, the really great news is that if you get informed and you get educated, you probably have a good chance of getting a house and getting your mortgage approved.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.